Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're very welcome on board Aer Lingus flight EINN travelling to London Heathrow. Captain, I've introduced myself to you. My name is Anita Walsh. The flight time to London will be approximately 1 hour. In preparation now for departure, please check that your seatbelt is clearly fastened, your tabletop is stowed, and your seat back is fully upright with the armrest down. All window blinds must be open. Smoking on board, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is illegal and is prohibited. The lavatories are fitted with smoke alarms. It is an offence to tamper with these alarms or to remove any safety equipment such as seatbelts or life jackets from the aircraft. Please be advised that failure to comply with these regulations may result in prosecution. Please ensure now that all personal electronic equipment, including mobile phones and tablet devices, have been switched to flight safe or the equivalent airplane mode. Flight safe mode will be utilised throughout the flight. Laptops and larger portable electronic devices must not be used during taxi, takeoff or landing, and must be stowed securely either in the cabin baggage underneath the seat in front or in the overhead bin. Full details are available in our travel magazine, Cara. If your device is not in a flight safe or airplane mode, then it must be switched off now and remain off for the duration of the flight. In addition, if you're wearing earphones, please remove them now for the duration of the safety demonstration. And those of you wearing your own personal headphones, these must be removed now for takeoff, approach and landing. Ladies and gentlemen, if you notice damage, smoke or overheating of your mobile device, or if your phone falls into the seat structure, please contact one of the crew immediately. We're very pleased to see you on board this evening. We hope that you're comfortable and that you enjoy your flight. We'd like to draw your attention now to the safety features on this aircraft, an Airbus A320. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. To secure it around your waist, hold firmly on the strap. And to open your seatbelt, lift up the buckle cover. There are 8 emergency exits, all of which are clearly marked by red exit signs. Door path lighting will guide you to the exits in poor visibility. There are 2 doors at the front of the cabin, one left and one right. 2 doors at the back of the cabin, one left and one right. In the centre of the cabin at rows 12 and 13, there are 4 overwing window exits, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. All exits must be clear during takeoff and landing. Please take time to locate the exit nearest to you, bearing in mind that the nearest usable exit may be behind you. Should you need to use one of these exits in an emergency, leave all cabin baggage behind and make your way to the exit nearest to you. If the cabin pressure fails, an oxygen mask will be lowered automatically in front of you. Should this happen, stay in your seat, pull the mask down fully, cover your mouth and nose with the mask, secure the elastic strap and breathe normally. You must put on your own mask first before you tend to children or to other guests. There is a life jacket in a package under every seat. If instructed by the crew to use this, you should take it out of its package and put the jacket over your head. The long strap should be wrapped around your waist to the front, clipped and pulled tightly. Each jacket has a light and a whistle to attract attention. You inflate the jacket by pulling down sharply on the red tag hanging below the jacket in front. It may also be inflated by blowing to the rubber tube. Jackets must only be inflated once outside the aircraft. There's a safety information card in the seat pocket in front of you. This card contains important safety information. Please study it carefully before departure. gentlemen, please remain seated during the flight while the captain has the fasten seatbelt sign illuminated. Please be careful with the overhead lockers as items which become displaced during the flight may fall out, causing injury to you or another guest. Shortly now we'll be coming to the cabin with our via service with a selection of hot and cold sandwiches, hot beverages and a full bar service. Details and prices of all these items can be found in the menu card in the seat pocket in front of you. We accept all major credit cards and currencies. Also you'll find a copy of Car, this your in-flight magazine, and it's yours to take with you if you wish. Following this we'll be coming through with our boutique shopping service with a selection of fragrances for ladies and gents, jewellery, watches and cosmetics. So for now we'd ask you to sit back, relax and enjoy the flight with us. If there's anything we can do for you, please don't hesitate to ask any of the crew.